I am Abby McErlane. I am a mum of two little kids, a 9-year-old and a 7-year-old. I am a third-year design student at the Otago Polytechnic. I come from 20 years of hospitality, owning cafes and being in the service industry for a long time. What drew me back to study was the children were getting older. I had just done 20 years in hospitality and was looking for a bit more flexibility in my life in terms of Monday to Friday, how that might look and what options were out there. I did marketing at the university and realised that the university wasn't really for me. I spoke to my good friend Lucy, who worked for the Polytech. She said maybe the Polytech was a good option for me because of the support and the practical skills that I'd be learning with design, hands-on with the computers and cameras and all the equipment here. So my friend Lucy is who I have to thank for getting me here, basically. Best decision I ever made. Yeah. This comes with a lot more ease because I absolutely love it. And I can bring in my own passions to each project that I do and all my life experience basically from this point to photography, graphic design, all of those things that we're studying. So yeah, it's very applicable. Does that make sense? Yeah. The challenges I had to overcome as an adult student were that I can do it and I am smart enough. With the right tools, I can actually do what I want to do and what I'm passionate about. I just needed a bit of guidance. The support at the Polytech is second to none, and the practicality of it, learning through doing, is how I learn. So now I know I can actually do it. Amazing. Yeah. I've had quite a few situations that have been quite challenging over the last 3 years. Like financially speaking, I called upon the Manaaki Fund as my partner and I are both studying at the moment. So funds were definitely getting tight. So they helped with petrol and food vouchers, which was great at that time and so appreciated. I've used the counselling services, bit of one-on-one chat to get through some hurdles that I was going through in my personal life. It was incredibly helpful and absolutely priceless. The internship program in third year blew my mind and was so incredibly helpful at giving me confidence about stepping into the real world. The challenges that I had to overcome returning to study were that being out of study for so long that I maybe forgot how to learn or forgot how to retain information. That's a big fear, I think, amongst my peers, potentially. Again, that it's not going to be achievable with a family. The lecturers have been super supportive of me, and if my kids are sick, it's no problem. I work from home. So incredibly flexible and very, very achievable. If you've got the itch to, I don't know, there's something that you've always wanted to do and you're afraid. I'm 41 and I'm coming out with a bachelor's degree in design, which I've dreamed of doing for a good 20 years. Reach out to the Polytech and believe in yourself because you got this.